Good morning, class. Welcome to St.PETERS School. This is your science class, and we are going to start with the new chapter. So all the students are requested to take out your books, take out page number, take out chapter number 3. That is on page number 20. Sorry, 16. Okay. All of you are requested to take out page number 16. The chapter name is Properties of Natural Resources. So first of all, what is natural resources? Natural resources क्या होते हैं? Natural resources are those resources which is actually comes from nature. जो भी नेचर से हमें मिलता है that is called natural resources. For example, air, water, land. These all are very natural. We human beings are not supposed to form the air or form the water or form the land. These all are natural resources which is very important for our daily life. Yes, because the main important for us is shelter, and shelter is land, and this is and due to this atmosphere we are able to survive. Yes, so this is called natural resources, and that's why it is known as natural resources because it is obtained from directly from the nature. So we are going to discuss different types of natural resources. So first one is air. Okay, we all know that air is like present everywhere, all over the atmosphere. Air is present. कहीं पे भी देख लो जहाँ हर जगह एयर प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, सो टुडे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एयर. व्हाट इज एयर? एयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ gases, water vapor, and other substances, and it has specific properties or the characteristics. Now, what air has a properties? First of all, what are the mixture of air? Air is consist of gases, different types of gases, water vapor, other substances like dust particles or smoke particles. That is called other substance, and it has specific properties or characteristics. Air has a lot of atoms and molecules. Air is a gas as opposed to a liquid or a solid and contains about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% argon. There are other trace gases in air like helium, carbon dioxide, and neon, just to name a few. So these all are the mixture of different types of gases which is present in the air. Air has a lot of atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules is written here because these gas or these gases are made up of molecules or a single atoms also. Okay, group of atoms known as molecules, or atoms, a single atoms also. So that's why it is called that air has a lot of atoms and molecules. Not atoms and molecules. It's actually the gas. Gas is the is present in the form of atoms and the molecules. What gases are present in the air? 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% argon. There are traces gases in the air like helium, carbon dioxide, and neon, just to name a few. These all are the inert gases which is present in the air. Now, air also contains water vapor. The amount varies depending upon the location. Think sea beach versus the dry desert. Finally, air contains other things like dust, pollen, and bacteria. Okay. Air also contains water vapor. How? The most amount of water vapor you will see in the beaches area. What happened when the beaches like when the sea water gets hotter, gets hot? What happened from there? Air by the like with the water air, the air present above the water is also get started heating, and once they start heat, what happened? Air becomes lighter and they rush towards upward, ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, क्योंकि वो गर्म होने के बाद हवा हल्की हो जाती है और वो ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड वाटर वेपर. सो when you will if when you will calculate the amount of water vapor present on the land, the air present on the land near the beaches area, you will find that there is a lots of there is a more water vapor present in those type of air rather than the air present in the desert area, because in desert area there is a lack of water, so you will find very less amount of water vapor in those type of air. Finally, air contains other things like dust, pollen, and bacteria. If you blow up a balloon with air, if you blow up a balloon with air, the balloon expands. It's expanding due to the gases, water vapor, and other materials that give air mass. Now, question is that okay, does the air is light or heavy? Just now I told you that air गर्म हो जाता है, वो हल्का हो जाता है और वो ऊपर चला जाता है. So is it like that that air has a mass? Yes, air has a mass due to presence of different types of gases, water vapor, and other dust particles, pollen grains. So due to presence of all this, air has a some weight. The molecules of the gases in the air are in constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create a pressure on that body. This is the pressure of air that we call atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the same in all direction. The molecules of the gases in the air are in constant motion. क्या होता है, क्या बोल रहा है कि एयर में जो भी पार्टिकल्स होते हैं या मॉलिक्यूल्स जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दैट मूव्स विद अ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. It's not like that ki if you're standing anywhere and you will feel some pressure over your skin, face skin, and you are not feeling any pressure on your hand skin. No, it's not like that. एयर में जो भी मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं दे मूव विद द यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. मतलब वो आपको इक्वली प्रेशराइज करेंगे, फेस के ऊपर भी इक्वली प्रेशराइज करेंगे on the hand skin also. So they everywhere you will see the constant movement in the air. This is the pressure of air that we call atmospheric pressure, and this is called atmospheric pressure. The air which put a pressure on your face skin or the hand skin or the any other part body skin, that is called atmospheric pressure because the air is present in the atmosphere, and the air which is present in the atmosphere is putting pressure on you. That's why it is known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the same in all the direction. कभी भी किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आपके हेड के ऊपर भी आपको अगर एयर रहेगा तो लाइक you will not feel heavy कि मेरे सर के ऊपर एयर है. No, it's not like that. Everywhere air is same. Under ordinary condition, atmospheric pressure at sea level is about 1014 400. It means around 1 lakh 1400 newtons per square meter. It can be measured with the help of barometer. So barometer used to a barometer is an instrument which is used to calculate the atmospheric pressure, and it is seen that when it is seen through the barometer that the atmospheric pressure at the sea level is about 1 lakh 1400 newton per square. And why? Because we just now we discussed that water there is a more presence of water vapor in the atmospheric area. Sorry, in the sea beach area. As we go higher above sea level, atmospheric pressure decreases. In 1726, the Swedish scientist Daniel Bernoulli put forth the important principle. The pressure of okay, so he was a scientist who put forth the important principle about the air. The pressure of the air decreases when its velocity increases, while the pressure of air increases when its velocity decreases. Now, what is my like most of you are aware of what is velocity. Velocity, what is the rate of change of speed is called velocity. Or you can say the total that is velocity. So pressure of air decreases. It means like atmospheric pressure decreases when its velocity increase. अगर मतलब उसके अगर मोमेंट का वेलोसिटी अगर उसका इंक्रीज करेगा लाइक ही विल वाइब्रेट मोर then what happen the pressure will decrease but it will when the air will vibrate less then atmospheric pressure will be more. Now this the very like practical example for this you can feel like how you can feel like when you will try to cover the air what you will feel कि हाँ इसके अंदर कुछ air है and you will feel some pressure on you कि हाँ कोई air for example when जब हम ग्लास को अपने hand से बंद करते हैं see this is a very practical example when कोई खाली ग्लास लेते हैं and we try to cover it from the top you will feel if you can do it with the your tap टैप अगर आप टैप को कवर करोगे, सपोज पानी नहीं आ रहा है टैप में, एंड यू ओपन इट एंड यू ट्राई टू क्लोज इट, you will feel that there is some pressure on your hand. It means the air present in the pipe is trying to force you. That is called, because they have a limited area, those air are having a limited area, so they don't move a very lot, so they are putting pressure on you. But in a when you are in atmosphere, the air is moving vigorously, like in the whole atmosphere, and you are not feeling any pressure. So that's why it's a very common example. If a body is moving through air, the air pressure decreases perpendicular to the direction of the motion, and then the air in its surrounding flows rapidly from higher pressure to lower pressure. So remember always that हमेशा एयर किधर से मूव करता है, हायर प्रेशर टू द लोअर प्रेशर. इफ अ बॉडी इज मूविंग थ्रू एयर, द एयर प्रेशर डिक्रीजेस परपेंडिकुलर टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन, and then the air in its surrounding flows rapidly from higher pressure to the lower pressure. हायर प्रेशर की तरफ से हमेशा लोअर प्रेशर की तरफ एयर हमेशा खुद ब खुद मूव करता है. यू डोंट नीड टू मूव इट. हायर प्रेशर अगर इफ लाइक एयर विल फील हायर प्रेशर, it will move towards the lower pressure. So today we are going to end here only. In next class, we'll discuss the more point about the these properties of air. So in next class we will discuss. So till the time, start revising, keep start reading the chapter, and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.